No! Stupid spider! Spider! Oh my God! All right, pull me out, damn it! Pull me out.
You got it, bro. Oh yeah. I got stuck in it yesterday.
You're an asshole. God dang it. Oh, shorty, damn it.
It's the same thing. I have to put my bike out and everything.
That shit got deep. We going through there?
I don't know, I think so. It looks like it wants me to go through there.
Yes, it does. Yeah. Oh boy, oh boy. That thing's nice. Woo! There we go. Ay, wait. There we go. All right. I think we're good. Ow. What? Oh, thank you. How nasty and deep you think that is?
This shit looks deep.
Doesn't it?
That's dark.
Yeah. Oh shit. Spider web.
Right there, watch. It's right there.
Like this is what I was saying too. You get right there to that little washout and you just all the way up there.
Well, we can't go down here to Cypress Keys. Can we go down over there where that little valley is?
We can go down there, but I don't know about going across.
We can dig it.
I think we just need to go back and hang a right.
You want me to go check it out?
Yeah, I'll go with you. All right, I would.
Where you going?
In that little valley, see if we can cut across.
Oh, you want to cut across right there?
Got this.
Got this. Let me get this spider web out the way.
You just gotta remember we got stock box right there.
Yeah.
I know. That's my deal. We got the stock bike.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
You gonna launch it?
Full sand.
How deep is it right there? It's not bad.
No.
Are you already checked it?
Oh, right here?
Yeah. No. The water.
Over there?
Huh? Hey, Shorty, hold on. Watch your toes, buddy.
Back up.
Yeah.
Plugger, hold up.
We're gonna find out. Don't go yet.
You waiting on your dad to catch up. And having a good time.
Yeah. You gonna walk it, Shorty? You're the tallest.
What? wanna walk? Parker walk.
Okay.
Yeah, the shortest.
Show him the trick.
I jump for gators in there.
Hey, what's that black one?
I don't know.
Oh.
The Honda. Oh my god. Blech.
It looks pretty big.
That looks super nasty.
We'll see.
Don't get none in your ear though.
Yeah.
No, you say that.
No, I'm
I
serious.
got some dirt in my ear, and back in March, I feel like something crawling in my ear ever since.
No, there's been a bunch of those amoebas and shit. Yeah, yeah, and Waco. Oh, it's through his nose? Oh shoot.
But that sounds like where fecal matter stuff gets in the water.
Oh, get us.
Brain eating amoeba.
Yeah.
If I had
Hey, Parker, you got a stick?
just know.
Go ahead, George.
Get a little further before we say go ahead.
Hey, Parker. Parker. So you can kind of feel.
See me in that whole swamp there.
For balance and all.
It's brittle, so don't lean up against it. Just to kind of feel in front of you while you're going.
And soft as shit. It's hard bottom.
Yeah, it's hard.
Keep going, keep going.
Wait till you get past that cypress.
Is there any trees in there?
Cut to your right, Parker.
Oh, see, there's a huge.
Where's that right there?
A log.
Is that a log right there? It's not terribly big though. Shit.
Why is that thing bubbling like that? You see the water bubbling? Why is it bubbling?
Oh, all the bubbles.
Gas inside the leaves and stuff.
Shit. Man, see, you know.
Oh yeah, right there too. Yeah.
No, usually where I'm from, man. So
Parker, we're going this way, buddy.
Go towards that.
Straight across. Okay, but
Go
after,
across it and she was on the other side.
is it still hard? That's not bad. You want me to go first? They scared or what? Well, come on, let's go. He's already there.
Talk some shit, bro.
You want me to go first or not? Yeah, Parker will go first. You want Parker to go first? Hey, you recording?
Hell no.
Am I recording?
Am I recording?
Yeah, you're recording. Am I recording? All right.
Hell yeah.
Let's go. We don't even know where we're going. We're trailblazing right now. I like it. Yeah, I don't know if y'all gonna be able to make that. Well, the stock bikes won't make that, will they? They won't be able to make it right.
no, you're not getting up to that airbox.
Okay. Because the airbox on the Hondas are like right here.
Yes.
So.
Yeah, I don't think it's over the top.
Okay.
Come on down a little more. Go real slow.
Yeah, I'll go slow.
Right there's the deepest part.
Not that you can go through any other speed.
Oh my God.
It's not even up to his crotch, so
Let's see.
that's maybe right here.
Okay. Mine is a little higher than theirs though.
Yeah, but that's just a hole. Hang on. Just see if it gets to this floorboard.
Well, in the manual it says you're not supposed to go past your floorboard, so you gotta be careful. It's over here. It's past my floorboard.
We're going over there low.
Yeah. I mean, that's not that bad.
Yeah, you bring it along.
Good job, brother.
I parked in that clear.
All right, I'm gonna go over there too. Oh, you stupid vines.
I want to go to the right.
This way. I should probably wait over here just in case. Just in case someone gets stuck or whatever, you never know.
Yeah, park off to the side.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be deeper than this.
Yeah, me too. I thought so
It's a
too.
hard bottom.
Yeah, that's nice.
Bro, if I had brakes, I'd nose off in anything.
Yeah,
Because I could back up if it got too deep.
right.
But
Oh, except for some of those that
if I
just
go
drop
off the
straight down.
ledge, I'm
Yeah.
committed. I'm fucked. It's either throttle and pray or I don't know. Come straight for that stick right there.
You got him 4-wheel drive, right?
Yep.
4-wheel drive, first gear?
Yep.
Just, okay.
Come straight for that little stick right there. This way. Perfect.
Don't let it die. It won't stay on.
Ready? 1,
Keep,
2,
3.
1, 2.
Just keep it on the throttle. I'm gonna pull you out.
Yeah, let him get the tiger tail. Grab that axle strap.
Yep. The 4-wheel drive's not working on that thing.
Huh?
The 4-wheel drive's not working on his.
Right.
You ready? Oh. Oh, it's off.
Wait, hold on. Stay on there, Rick.
Perfect. See if Mario makes it.
Hit the brake. Just keep on the brake.
All right. Ah. Damn Hondas.
What I'm saying.
Hold on 1 second. 1 second, but this tiger tail's all worn out.
Thank you, sir.
No problem. Thank you. Beautiful. Woo! All right. Whoa! I thought you were gonna need a tiger tail for a minute. Woo! Oh, you got waders on.
Yeah.
Why don't we have her check?
I have no idea.
Carol was all quiet over there. She wasn't saying nothing.
Ain't saying shit.
And now we got you. Now we got you, Carol.
I'm up.
Oh gosh.
Hey, you see me fall in when they had me checking the holes after our flood?
Oh,
Mark's like, go a little more to the right. Push right in the pan.
oh shoot. Mud bugs, buddy. It's getting a little rutted out. I might have to pull him up too. We'll see.
Yeah.
But these are mud bugs too, so.
Kind of stay to the left of that rut.
But these are mud bugs, buddy. Look at the mud bugs. Woo! Look at them just throwing that shit around. Look at that. Look how much it walled out that friggin' rut too.
You know people are gonna see this.
And
Be like, hey, they made it.
they made it. The mud bugs and be like, I'm gonna trade them. I'm gonna trade my outlaw twos for some mud bugs again.
That's a whole cypress tree.
I'm going back. That's a big ass tree.
I thought it
Where y'all going over there?
Then another thought started. Where you going? You trying to give me a hug or something? What the hell? All up in my space and shit. Give me 50 feet.
Whoa, whoa.
Hang on. Let me get this on.
Huh?
Ah, I did it in time.
Look, I knew that was gonna happen too. I knew he was gonna try and push my feet off.
I got you.
They can't go in that mud with the deck shoes.
You need help over there?
Kevin, don't worry. The Tiger Tail and the Honda are here waiting for you if you need it.
Oh, he gonna make it. I got confidence.
Oh, you don't want to know. If you got to ask, you can't afford it. That thing. All right.
Yeah, it is getting a little bit.
It's getting a little rutted out.
Yeah.
Means we have to go this way next time. The side by side's gonna be able to make it?
I don't know that Terry's gonna be able to.
Not right there.
Hey, look, if they make it down.
Oh, they can take the road because it's right here they're talking about, right? I don't even know either.
You haven't learned your freaking lesson.
Huh?
Go ahead.
Well, we're trying to go this way, right? Is there a road? Dilly. Isn't there a road right there?
Yeah, but it's just dead end. We can go down there and see.
Let me see. I'll go check it out real quick. Yeah.